Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Z Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to fully verify your Alipay account. Alright, but before we get today's practical started, if you are very new to this channel, guys, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about importation, Alipay, and some other payment issue, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class on importation, whereby I teach people on how to be a self-importer without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen. Let us discuss as far as about premium class is concerned. So let's get started. So the first thing is to log in into your Alipay. So you can see from the screen right here, this is my Alipay account. So I'm going to click on it right now. Alright, so when your Alipay account open up, the next thing you have to do is to click on me right down below there. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is to click on here. So having done that, you can see where you have rename verification. So click on that. So I'm going to click on it right now. Alright, so the next thing you have to do here is to click on verify now. You can see it here, verify now. Click on that. Verify now. Now, at this point, this is where you have to enter your passport detail. Now, there are two options by which you can do that. And So there are two options by which you can do that. The first option here is automatically scan, while the second option is filling in the detail. So I will recommend that you fill it in detail. So the first column here is where you enter your full name on the passport, all in capital letter, just like you have it. Then passport number, all in capital letter. Then here, date of birth, all in capital letter. You select it. Everything you have to just click on there and select it. Expire date, click on there and select it. So if you have to select your date of birth, just click here. If you have to select it, when you click on here, and you will be able to, when you click on here, you'll be able to set up your date of birth. So I'm going to set up my date of birth now. So then you put date. So you can see the way I'm trying to set it up. Sorry. Okay, then once you are done with your birth certificate setting up, click on here to confirm. So I'm going to click on OK. Now you can see that date of birth has been set up. Now this is how you set up your expire passport date also. Now for the first for security purpose, so when you are done with everything, click on submit here. So for the sake of security purpose, I'm going to off this camera now, and I'm going to fill in all the passport detail. But the way Amana explain it in the screen is in the screen of the video, as this, that is the way you are going to do that. Okay. So in some cases, if your country is not indicated, just like what you see here, this is my country, Nigerian passport information. So in case if your country is not indicated, all you have to do is to tap on here where you see region. So when you tap on the region, you'll be able to select your country. Then when you select your country, and you need to come here, enter your passport full name in capital letter, passport phone number, passport number in capital letter, date of birth as set up, and expire date. Then finally you click on submit. So I'm going to fill it up right now. So after clicking on submit, it's going to take you to this page here. You can see three different options here. So the first option here states that passport chip and face verification. So this simply means that you do the facial verification and then you upload your passport data page, and also verify your identity, scan passport to verify. So the third option here is this, which is Chinese mainland bank account. But if you are not a Chinese person, you are not to use this option to verify your Alipay. So the best option for you to verify your Alipay is this option right here. Okay, so I'm going to choose this particular option here now. So I'm going to click on here. All right, so you can see the option here. There are two options here. The first option is either you upload your passport picture right here. It's either you upload or you take the photo live. Okay, now in this regard, I'm going to take the live of this part of the passport. So you can see the name of the passport will be automatically activate, just like what you see at the top here. So the next thing you need to do here is to take a photo of the passport page. You can see the area you need to capture. They have identified the area you will need to capture. Just set your camera and do the capture, or you can just upload from your phone album. Okay, so after you have successfully uploaded your passport, the next thing you have to do is to do a selfie, just like what you see on the screen right here. So all you have to do is to click on verify. Then you position your camera. So please wait. Okay. The next thing is that you need to click on here to fill the incomplete store. Then click on it. So for you to make the information complete, all you have to do is to tap on here to choose your gender, and then fill in your occupation type, and then fill in your address. Once you are done, that's the end. So I'm going to click on here now to choose my gender. So male. Okay. So the next thing I need to do here is to fill in the occupation right here. Occupation here. So I have to select. So if you don't have any, if there is nothing, if all this information presented here is not related to your occupation, you can just choose other, or whichever way you can just pick on anyone related to your business. I'm going to pick on this one here. So occupation will be fill. So lastly, you click on here to fill in your address. So address, then location, because we are not, I'm not a Chinese, I don't need to fill this particular point here. So you can just go back to the submission page, and within few minutes they are going to verify the account, and you will see the results in a fully verified. So this is how you just have to work your way around to verify your Alipay in a full verification. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video about importation. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Wow, so guys, you can see the account has been fully verified. You can see. So this is how you know if your account has been fully verified. You can see it here, done. So this is how you enjoy full verification of Alipay. This is just the normal procedure you have to follow. Just exercise patience and follow the step I'm taking in this video. You're gonna get it. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.